Hey guys, how's it going? Flannel Chef here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make hash brown patties, almost like the ones that you would get at McDonald's, just a little bit healthier. So, really simple recipe. Really just the main ingredients for it. You're going to need 2 medium russet potatoes, medium yellow onion, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and 1 egg. And then the seasoning and everything else is all up to you. So what we're going to start with right now is we're going to take the potatoes, which have been washed already. Right here, we have a grater. If you have a box grater, that works too. Anything like that. We're just going to take it and we're going to start shredding the potato like this. Make sure to wash your fingers as you're doing this. Okay. Once we have that done, next thing we're going to do is we're going to take these and we're going to rinse them out 2 to 3 times just until the water starts to run clear, just until the water is clear. So I'm going to go do that quickly and then I will be back. Okay, so after that, rinsed off, we're going to take a towel. We're going to dump these right onto there like so. We want all the potato in the bowl to be on the towel, and then we're going to wring it out until these are bone dry. Now, rinsing them not only is going to wash the potatoes, obviously, if you use the skins like I did, it is also going to wash the starch off. It's going to give you a crispier end product. And they're all wrung out. Go ahead and discard this bowl. We're going to leave the potatoes in here for a little bit while we get the other stuff prepped. Now I'm going to take 1 onion, cut off both ends, like so. Just go ahead that to the side, cut it in half like this, and then peel it. Okay. Just going to take it. Now, the easiest way, this is going to be small dice. The easiest way to do that is to make cuts like this, where you're not going entirely through the onion. You're going about a little more than 3/4 of the way there. And then you're slicing and bringing it down. You're going to make one more cut through the middle of the onion like this. Watch your fingers. And then we're just going to go and then all right. We're only going to use half of this onion. So there's your minced small diced onion. Throw all this stuff away. I'm going to leave this over there. Now we're going to take our egg. Crack that. And show that if there's any. 2 tablespoons of flour. Okay, and then we're going to add some salt to this. Black pepper. Some paprika. And some dark chili powder. I'm going to add a dash of cayenne as well. Just one little dash like that. You don't want too much, otherwise it'll become overpowered. Get a little bit of minced garlic in here. so. We're just going to mix that around so it's all incorporated together. All incorporated like this. And we're going to add our onion. Incorporated. And then we're going to take our potato, and we've had drying the rest of the way over here. And as you can see, it's almost like potato shreds at this point. It's so dry. Take this, pour it in. Okay. And don't worry if you notice your bowl's too small like I did. Just switch bowls. It's not a big deal. Use some of the potato to make sure you get all the flour and egg mixture that's in here. Put that into a new bowl. Mix that all around. So it comes together. Potatoes should have a nice yellowy hue to them. We're going to take about a 1/4 cup of oil, and we're going to heat it up in this pan on medium-high heat until it's sizzling. And then I'll be back with y'all. As you can see, my oil is heating up in the pan. It's warm. One way you can tell to see if it's hot, if it's ready, flick some water into it. Starts to sizzle, it's ready. If not, give it a little longer. I have it heating up on medium-high right now. And once this is ready, we're going to take a 1/4 cup scoop. We're going to scoop the potato mixture into the hot oil, 1/4 cup. Then we're going to press it down until they're about a 1/2 inch thick. Okay, now that it's sizzled like that, I'm going to throw the water down in. I'm going to take a 1/4 cup potato mixture. About that much. Put it down. And spread it into a circle. Just gonna let that cook. Now, for this, it doesn't matter the oil you use. Just make sure you're using some type of high temperature oil. I'm using grapeseed oil because it has a very, very high smoke point, very, very high burn point. And we're gonna let these go for about 5 minutes. They're getting a nice golden brown and crispy. We'll flip them, cook them for another 5, and then it should be good. It's been about 5 minutes. I'm going to check these. As you can see, they are beautiful golden brown on the bottom. Okay. Let these go for another 5 minutes. Okay, so this has been going for about 4 minutes on the other side. And they are a beautiful golden brown now on that side. Normally, I would put these onto a paper towel to drain. Fortunately, right now, we can't find any paper towels anywhere. So I have a cookie sheet here with a lined baking rack. And you're just going to let the oil drain onto the lined baking rack. The reason you're using the lined one is because if you use anything else, the oil would just slide right off. Now we're going to take it up. Okay, so got my next 3 in there. And it looks like I'm probably going to be able to get 2 to 3 more out of here. So if you're doing 1/4 cup, you should be able to get, maybe 8, 9 out of here. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so They're all done. They're all beautiful golden brown. To reheat these, if you need to, throughout the week, if you're shaving them, just get some oil, a little bit, really nice and hot. And then we're just going to let it heat back up in the oil until it's nice and crispy. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you how to do is how to cook an over easy egg without flipping it, because it took me a very, very long time to be able to get the wrist technique down for the flip of the yolk without breaking it. And I understand that it can be very frustrating, and an over easy egg is one of the best preparations for an egg, I personally think, especially with something like this. So I'm going to let these reheat, just heat them up till they're hot again, and then I'll come back and show you how to make that egg. Alright, so before I showed you the egg, I just want to show you how to properly store these. I'm using just a glass Pyrex container. I took a giant piece of parchment, cut it into 4 equal pieces. Just did 2 per layer. We're just going to seal them, put them in the fridge. They should last a good 4 or 5 days. I have a little ham spray in it. We're going to bring that to medium-low heat, not high, medium-low. Now, only other thing you really need here is just the egg, obviously, a spatula for flipping it, salt, pepper if you want it, and then crack this. Make sure you're cracking your egg on a flat surface. That's going to minimize the amount of shells that crack open and fall into your food. It's also going to ensure that the yolk has a higher chance of staying whole, because that's what we want here. Beautiful. We're going to let that start to go and get the white start to cook. So, right now, though, I'm going to add a little pinch of salt and a little bit of pepper. I like pepper on my eggs. So, yep. Put that on there for now. Put some water. Put this up a little bit. And you're going to put a little bit of water on. And the best indicator of knowing that this is about to be done is that as that white starts to solidify, you will notice that the yolk itself starts to get a white coating over top of it. That is exactly what we are looking for. I would say this is probably about 30 seconds from being done. Now we're going to bring it, turn the heat off. We're going to bring it over to our plate where we have our beautiful golden brown hot hash brown. We're going to take our egg. We're just going to place it gently on top like that. For the most rewarding part of this dish, I'm going to cut into that yolk. And there's just that beautiful yellow yolk that just goes spilling out over the potatoes. And it makes it oh so delicious. There you have it. Just about 20 minutes to a half hour. Beautiful hearty breakfast. Super easy to make. All you got to do in the morning now is just heat the egg and reheat the potatoes, and then you're set for the day. I hope you guys learned something today. I hope I was able to teach you something, and let me know if you make it. Let me know how they come out, and I'll see you guys next time. Now, Chef, that's all I got. Have a great day.